Welcome to Brain Vision.
All right, the question here is asking if it's possible to maintain a pressure of 10 kilopascals in a condenser that is being cooled by water at 20 degrees Celsius. So the answer to that question is yes, and we'll explain why. The reason being, at 10 kilopascals, the saturation temperature, so saturation temp, is equal to about 45.81, I believe, Celsius. And that temperature is greater than 20. So the water we know is at 20. So because that temperature is less than the saturation, that would be why the answer would be yes here. So it is definitely possible to maintain that pressure. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and I hope you have a great day.